guys? What's up? What's good? What's popping, guys? This is Flora Best, and I'm back again with another video. But before we jump right into it, if this is your first time on this channel, you are most welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Help a friend to grow. Yes, guys, I need your support. Help me to grow by clicking on that red subscribe button. Yeah, I'm waiting. Alright, thank you very much. Don't forget to also click on the bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for your support, guys. Whether any part of this channel, welcome back. Guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment below in the comment section. Let me know what you feel about this content. Alright, without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into this video, guys. Today's video will be looking at nightlife in Harcourt, Nigeria. We are still on the matter of Africa street food hunts, and today we'll be looking at some street food sold at night in Harcourt, Nigeria. Guys, come with me. Let me take you to a suya spot where I saw suya, and this suya is honestly so amazing to taste, to have suya in Port Harcourt. In case you are watching this video and you don't know what suya is meat. Now we have different kinds of suya. We have ram suya, we have ram suya, we have cow suya, we have chicken suya, we have all kinds of suya. And today we're looking at the chicken suya, the cow beef suya, and also fish. So, please, what's this? Normal suya, flesh. That's cow meat. Okay. What about this one? This chicken. Okay. Wow, live chicken. And this one? Wow, this is amazing. Okay, I want to have a taste of this one first.
Okay.
Let me see how this one is. But before you give me this, please, this suya is from, as in, which people eat suya in this country? Which people make suya?
Plenty.
As in, which tribe, which language makes suya? Okay, Hausa makes suya. Okay, from Kano.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. All right, I beg, give me this one. Bring two for me. Let me taste first and see how it is. Please, you will make it very hot for me, eh? All right, thank you very much. location. Thank you guys. Okay guys, we have come to the end of this video, but before I go, remember, if you are watching this video and you've still not subscribed, please guys, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so you can subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your post notification bell. By so doing, you won't miss any of my video guys. Please share this video with your friends and loved ones and let them be part of this great channel as we explore Africa and beyond. Until I come your way again, Flora Best remains my name. Be the best of you and don't give up on your dream.